Let's take a look at these examples. The number on the left side of the decimal point is less than 1, and I have no power of 10. That's why I'm going to write over here 10 to 0. Now, when I have exponent 0, I have number on the left side lower than 1. So I have to make sure that the number is going to be bigger on the left side of decimal point, and I have to move my decimal point 3 times. Why 3 times? Because exponent has to be multiple of 3. My number got bigger. Exponent has to get smaller. That's why I'm going to have over here 83.75 times 10 to the negative 3. Next, please verify if this is the engineering notation. On the left side of the decimal point, I have number which is between 1 and 999, and my exponent is multiple of 3. I'm supposed to run this number to 3 significant digits. I have 1, 2, 3. You have to check what number is behind your third significant digit. Is 5. Anytime you have 5 behind the running position or number greater than 5, you're supposed to add 1 to the running position. So that's why my number is going to look like this: 83.8 times 10 to negative 3. And this is the solution to the problem. Let's take a look at this example. On the left side of decimal point, I have number less than 1. That's why I'm going to add over here power of 10, 10 to 0. My number has to get bigger, and my exponent has to be multiple of 3. That's why I'm going to move my decimal point 3 times to right side. My number is going to be 482.5 times 10 to negative 3. I'm supposed to round this number to 3 significant digits. 1, 2, 3. You have to check what we have behind the rounding position. Okay, I have 5. Anytime you have 5 or number greater than 5 behind the rounding position, you're supposed to add 1 to the underlined number. That's why I'm going to have 483 times 10 to negative 3. And this is the solution to the problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, on the left side of the decimal point, I have number less than 1. That's why I'm going to move my decimal point to the right side. But before I'm going to do that, I'm going to add power of 10, 10 to 0. Move the decimal point 3 times. 1, 2, 3. On the left side of decimal point, I still have number less than 1. That's why I have to move decimal point another 3 places. Why? Because the exponent, right, which is going to be affected by these movements, has to be multiple of 3. And 6 is the multiple of 3. That's why I'm going to have 357.9 times 10 to negative 6. I'm supposed to round this number to 3 significant digits. 1, 2, 3. This is my rounding position, and I'm supposed to check what is behind my rounding position. I got 9. Anytime I have number 5 or greater than 5 behind my rounding position, I'm supposed to add 1 to the underlined number. That's why I'm going to have 358 times 10 to negative 6. And this is the solution to the problem.